Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you this Saker 20 volt power drill. We're going to be giving you a tutorial and then we're going to be showing you all the things that come with it. So this, in my opinion, this is one of the best deals that I've found. I picked this up on Amazon for, I think it was around like $41. It's on sale for right now. And you could see what you get with it. And it's a brushless drill, which that's the main reason I picked it up was, you know, to find a brushless drill for $40 is almost unheard of, let alone $40 brushless drill and all the stuff that you see here that comes with it. You know, it seems like it's a great deal. So I wanted to buy it. I wanted to test it out and I wanted to show you guys, you know, how the drill functions, show you all the features of it. So we'll get right into that. We'll show you how to remove and reinstall the battery. So to remove the battery, you just press down on this blue button, pull the battery straight out. And to charge it, there's a charger that comes with it. You just plug it into this hole right here. And then on the actual charger, there's a red light that turns green when this battery is fully charged. And then this even comes with a battery indicator light. So you can see we have a full charge. So then to reinstall the battery, you just line up these grooves right here with these grooves and just push until you hear a click. Okay. And then working our way up the drill, you can see we have our forward and reverse. So when we want to put it in forward, we would push in that side. And then when we want to put it in reverse, we would put in that side. And then if we're transporting the tool or carrying it on our belt, you could just push this button halfway between forward and reverse. And you can see that's going to lock our trigger so that we can't activate it when we're transporting it. And then this is actually a 2-speed drill. A lot of the cheaper drills you find on Amazon and other websites are just single speed. This is actually a dual speed. So you can see here we're in speed 2 right now. And now we're in speed 1. So there's speed 1. There's speed 2. And then we can adjust our torque settings from 1 all the way up to 21, and then we could go all the way over. This is our highest torque setting for drilling. And a lot of people have questions on, you know, which torque setting should I use? And honestly, you know, the torque setting you use depends on what kind of fastener you're using. So you would want to use a smaller torque setting on like smaller, you know, real tiny screws. A good example is like the screws that go into the hinges on your cabinet. You would want to use a smaller torque setting. But then, you know, as you move up, say you're using deck screws or whatever, something a lot larger, or you're drilling really large holes, or you're drilling through a really tough material, you would want to turn the torque all the way up. So I recommend just playing around with it. Start on a lower torque setting. If the drill doesn't have enough power, then you could go ahead and increase the torque. And same with the speeds. You know, if you're drilling or you're, you know, driving a screw and speed 1 isn't cutting it, just bump it up to speed 2. So that's kind of just the quick down and dirty of, you know, these torque settings and the correct one to use. So then you can see here we have our keyless chuck. When we rotate it this way, it's going to close our chuck. You can see those little teeth in there clamping down. And then when we twist it this way, that's going to open our chuck. So we'll go ahead and we'll install a drill bit just to kind of show you. So you would just open it up and then secure it down. And you just want to make sure that the teeth are clamped down evenly all around the bit. And on this drill, you know, it's a cheaper drill. So what you need to do is hold this black outer piece right here and then twist it to really tighten it down. Like that. And then same thing to remove it. Just hold down on this black outer piece and twist this up. And that is like, you know, the one kind of piece that you could tell is a little bit lower quality on the higher end drills. You know, like my DeWalt, you know, you can just tell that this is a higher quality piece. But again, 40 bucks for a brushless drill and all this stuff. So if you're a homeowner and you're not going to be using this every single day, if you're going to be using it, you know, 5 or 6 times a year, this is going to be perfect for you. So and it's $40. So this is probably one of the better deals that I have found. And you can see here, you get a bunch of brush attachments. These are hard bristled brushes. You could use them on whatever upholstery, or, you know, if you're cleaning out your car. And then you get, they even give you a little socket set. The lowest socket is 4 millimeters. And the highest socket is 12 millimeters. And they give you this little adapter. Actually, you would use this adapter. So then you have all your driver bits. You have longer driver bits, drill bits. Then you have this extender. So you would use this. If you're in like a hard to reach spot or you're somewhere tight, you could kind of put this in, tighten it down, and then you could put your driver bit in, whatever bit you would need. You could put it in like that, and then just get, you know, in your hard to reach spots. And you could see you could actually hold it and it'll still fasten. Okay, and then I'll show you how to use this as a driver. So you would use this attachment right here. And then you could even use this piece and just put that into there. And then tighten this piece down. And then you could go ahead and install. So you could almost use it like an impact wrench. I've never seen a drill that actually came with all of this stuff before. So, I mean, that's pretty awesome. So now we'll just do a quick demonstration for you guys. So we went through the drill, we went through all the features. Now we'll just actually see how it drills. So we'll use one of the bigger drill bits that they have. And then we'll just set our camera up over here and we'll grab a scrap 2x4. Okay. So we're in forward. We'll turn the torque all the way up and we'll use speed 2 just to show you the most powerful setting, and we'll just drill through this 2x4. Okay, not too bad. We'll do another one real quick. Works pretty good. And like I said, if you're a professional, you're going to be using this tool every day on multiple job sites. You know, you're going to want to get probably a more expensive drill. But like my DeWalt brushless that I have is, I think that was around $200 brand new. And, you know, it doesn't obviously come with any of this. It's just the drill. Sometimes you only get the drill. You don't even get the battery. So this comes with everything. You see the battery, the drill, all these attachments, all these bits and drivers. So it's, in my opinion, this is a really, really great deal. So I'll put a link in the description on where you could pick this up. Like I said, it's on sale right now for 40 bucks. I don't know what it'll be when you check it out, but even, you know, even at 60, 70 bucks, I think this is a great value. So yeah, guys, be sure to check the link in the description. Be sure to like this video if it helped you out. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out all my other tool and DIY videos. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.